For decades, driving enthusiasts proudly defended manual transmissions. The feeling of control, the connection with the car, the skill it required, all of it made manuals a symbol of pure driving. But look around today. Automatic cars are taking over, not just in the luxury segment, not just in America, but across the globe. So why is this happening? And what does it really say about where the world and each of us is heading? To understand why automatic transmissions are dominating, we need to go back to the basics. In the past, automatic gearboxes were slower, less efficient, and more expensive. They couldn't match the fuel economy or responsiveness of a skilled manual driver. But that was then. Modern automatic transmissions have evolved. We now have 8-speed, 10-speed, and even continuously variable transmissions, CVTs, that optimize performance in ways manual gearboxes simply can't. Dual clutch systems can shift faster than any human ever could. Adaptive software learns your driving style and adjusts in real time. The efficiency gap has closed, and in many cases, it's reversed. But the rise of automatic cars isn't just about engineering. It's also about accessibility. As cities get denser and traffic gets worse, the last thing drivers want is to clutch and shift in bumper-to-bumper conditions. Automatics take away the strain and let you focus on the road. They reduce driver fatigue, especially on long commutes. And with more driver assistance features being integrated from adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping systems, automatics are the natural foundation for semi-autonomous driving. Then there's the reality of new drivers. Fewer people are learning to drive manual. Many driving schools don't even offer it anymore. Car manufacturers know this, so they're building cars that reflect the next generation's needs, not the last one's traditions. Some purists argue this shift is a loss of connection, a loss of driving skill, but that depends on how you look at it. Maybe it's not a loss, maybe it's a transformation, a choice to focus more on where you're going rather than how you get there. Maybe this shift toward automatics is just one more sign that the world is moving faster, demanding more of our attention, and pushing us to simplify wherever we can. And here's where this ties into something deeper. In life, we're often taught to stick to tradition, to do things the way they've always been done. But progress doesn't come from holding on, it comes from adapting. Sometimes you have to let go of the gears you're used to shifting, even if it means leaving behind something familiar. Because moving forward isn't just about speed, it's about ease, precision, and clarity. Automatic cars reflect a mindset, one that values progress over pride, convenience over control, and focus over friction. The world is shifting gears with or without you. The question is, are you willing to let go of what you've always done to embrace what actually works better now? If you want a video on an interesting topic, let me know in the comments, and I will make the next video for you.